How to use PDAX. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use PDAX. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on PDAX, you can also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is PDAX, it is the Philippine Digital Asset Exchange, which is regulated cryptocurrency trading platform designed specifically for Filipino users, and it provides a secure and accessible marketplace where individuals can buy, sell, and trade digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular cryptocurrencies using Philippine peso. And as a BSP licensed exchange, PDAX prioritizes compliance, security, and transparency, making it a trusted choice for both beginners and experienced traders. So now to create an account, you can simply click the link in the description. Alternatively, you can click the Get Started button on the top right in here. Then you will be directed on this page. So from here, just click Sign Up and simply fill out the required information, such as your full name, your email address, phone number, and after that, you will be able to receive a confirmation code that will send to your email account. So all you need to do is simply verify that, then you will be directed on this dashboard of PDAX right here. This is basically what the dashboard looks like. On the left side panel, you'll be able to see here your portfolio balances, where you'll be able to cash in crypto, bonds, and many more, and even to update your account right here. And below that, it will show you all of this portfolio of cryptocurrency, such as the prices of network Bitcoin, the buy price, and the sell price right here. All you need to do is simply scroll down to see other kind of cryptocurrency available. We have here USDC, USDT, XRP, BNB, and many more, with each corresponding buying and selling price, as you can see. Well, aside from that, you could also navigate some other options on the top right corner, and that includes home, trade, and portfolio. And by navigating first, for example, the portfolio option, you'll be directed in here, where you should be able to see all of the crypto that you purchase or sell in here. And that also includes your wallet history, your crypto transfer, and other kind of transaction, as you can see in here. By clicking cash in, you'll be able to be directed on this page, and it will show you all the channels that you could also choose with here InstaPay as your payment option, QRPH, Passinet, online transaction, and many more. And as you can see, we're currently under the level 1, which is the basic plan of the account. So we only have a limit in here of daily limit, monthly, and yearly, with a corresponding to our level of our account. So you must have a verified or upgraded account, such as by simply updating your profile or scanning your ID. That includes your postal ID, national ID, and even your passport. So basically from here to cash in, you can simply choose different kind of channels for your preferences, to also the methods of your payment. But now going back to our homepage right here, let's say we're going to click to update our profile in here. By clicking the button, you'll automatically be directed on this page, and it will show you how you can start getting verified, and all of this feature included upon verifying your account or your identification right here. And for the list of IDs accepted, upon clicking on this, it will show you all of these acceptable IDs for account verification. So we have here a variety of options to choose from. So now let's say we already have cash in our account. Let's say by clicking the trade option on the top right, this is basically what it looks like, where it will show us in here on the top panel the BTC or PHP, which is the kind of crypto, and below it will show us the chart in here. If here the current market, the pricing, and different kind of candlestick that we can see, which is we can start tracking the market trends, the prices in here. On the left side panel, by clicking buy, you can simply enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. But that depends if you want to buy or sell in here, depending on your expectation or prediction of the market. But again, before you will be able to do it, make sure to already cash in a certain amount that you want to buy or sell in here. And aside from that, under this chart, you could also change the time frame by navigating in here, this option. We're currently under 15 minutes, but you can choose either for every 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, week, or month. So from here, we're basically seeing every 15 minutes a candlestick, and that might include either a bullish or bearish, as you can see. And also from here, to start navigating or having a trading technique or strategy, you could also use some other elements on the left side panel, such as this line. Upon choosing or navigating this line, you can click on it and start choosing a pinpoint of the prices that you want to purchase or sell a Bitcoin cryptocurrency in here. You can even put a different kind of indicators, and that includes Fibonacci sequence, a Bollinger Bands, depending on the kind of indicator that will prepare you to navigate the prediction of this market trends or prices. All you need to do is simply click the indicators option that you will see on the top of this chart. If here also available, such as Bollinger Bands, moving average, but I prefer to use these Bollinger Bands as an example. Now using this, you can simply track the up and down market trends in here. That might help us to decide whether to buy or sell in here. Moving on, you could also change by clicking the BTC on the top left corner and select the trading pair in here with here USDT, ETH, and any other kind of cryptocurrency available in here that you can choose from. In which upon clicking any trading pair in here, it will automatically show you a different kind of chart and also market trends in here, prices, and many more. And again, upon buying any of this, make sure to already cash in from selected payment channels that I've already mentioned earlier. And upon start trading, it will automatically show you your trade history on the left side panel and even your wallet history right here, where you can track all of your transactions. And if you also want to start trading under limit, all you need to do is to click the limit and click got it option. Make sure to understand everything before trading in here. And for starter, you can simply enter the limit price in here and also the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. So from here, let's say I'm just going to simply choose here or plot this line graph to see the pricing that I want to buy and there the limit price in here. So after that, all you need to do is simply enter here the limit price. Then you'll be able to see here that you can now click the place order once you already have your balances already cash in the amount of ETH in here. But before that, it is suggested to only trade the amount of money that you are afford to lose. And as for your guide, you could also use some other news that you can find or article that might affect the price market of ETH or any cryptocurrency available. So basically, that's how you can start trading in here of any cryptocurrency of your choices. Going back to our homepage, you could also navigate here a lot of things, and that includes this collectibles and also hold and earn. It will show you all of your total holdings and earnings in here available. It will show you how you can start joining and the mechanics of it. And basically, the importance of this platform PDAX lies in its role to secure and regulated gateway for Filipinos to access the growing world of digital assets. And PDAX plays a vital role in part in strengthening the country's digital economy, enabling more people to explore new investment avenues. And overall, that is just how you can use PDAX. Thank you.